Meaning of Lucky Strike.
Lucky strike.
Lucky Strike.
Lucky strike.
Lucky Strike. Lucky Strike is a brand of cigarettes that was first introduced in the United States in 1871 by the American Tobacco Company. The name Lucky Strike refers to the idea of striking it lucky or hitting the jackpot, which was a popular phrase in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The brand became popular in the mid-20th century and was especially associated with the glamour and excitement of the Jazz Age and the 1920s and 1930s. Today, Lucky Strike cigarettes are still sold in some countries around the world, although their popularity has declined due to increased health concerns and anti-smoking campaigns.